Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine and today I want to show you an unboxing of Marc Jacob. I did a small shopping of Marc Jacob Beauty. But first of all, please don't forget to subscribe down below and give it a thumbs up to let you know every time I upload a video. And please don't forget to click that notification bell and that you're notified every time I upload a video. So today I want to show you an unboxing, like I said, of Marc Jacobs. I got it on the mail and I didn't want to open it until I filmed this video. There's a few goodies that I wanted to buy and try. So here are the products. I like how it's wrapped and well taken care of. It has some bubble wrap, as you may see, and it's covered with this black gift paper sheets. So the first product that I want to show is this Marc Jacob eyeshadow palette. It's Marc Jacobs EYE-CONIC multi-finish eye palette. It's very nice. I wanted to try this. It brings 7 eyeshadow. Let's see if I could open this. I think it's like a rose gold, if I don't remember. It's been a while that I bought this. Okay, this is so nice and chic and sleek. Tell me this is nice. This is not nice and girly. And this is the shade right here that it brings. And the hardware is rose gold. Hopefully you could see that right there. And I love rose gold. And it comes like this, with this paper, and it says Marc Jacobs. And these are the shades. They're so nice and pretty and pinky warm tones right here. Some copper shade. I feel like that's more like a copper shade, and pink, light pinks, and a satin like pink. This is beautiful. Can't wait to try this. I have this Marc Jacob Omega bronzer. This is the box, and I want to open this. Oh, is it from here? This is how it looks. So beautiful and white. I love white packaging. It makes everything looks more classy and fancy. And this is the mirror, and this is the little plastic that covers the bronzer palette, and this is the Omega bronzer. I love the way it looks. I like the silver hardware right there. It looks very nice. This is a silver hardware, like I said, and the word Marc Jacob is also silver, as you can see there. I'm very impressed. I really wanted to get these stuff for a long time, and I'm like, let me just try to get it now that the holidays are coming and there's always something good going on beauty products and beauty brands. I want to take advantage. And this is the last product that I got. This is the Marc Jacob in Enamored with coconut. This is right here. Love this. This is what it brings. It's a 4-piece satin gloss and coconut essentials, and it bring a lip gloss, a coconut face primer, a gel highlighter, and the coconut setting mist. As you can see, this is a nice big box. I'm really happy about this. I love the fact that the box is also like firm and really sturdy, that doesn't get messed up. Oh, nice. Look at this. It's the box. It brings this little elastic to pull it out. It's like a little cloth, and this is the box. Really, really, really happy. And this is how it comes. Oops. Just pull the box out, and you little guy, you come right here, and this is how it looks. This is I think it's the gel luminizer, the mist, and the primer, and this is the lip gloss. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It came in a set, like you can see, and it was a great value because I think they're excluding, or they're taking out the coconut beauty makeup of collaboration that they did with coconuts. I think they're gonna take this out, and they're gonna bring obviously more different makeup. So this is how it seems. I love this. I love the way the box is pretty hard. It's a hard box, and I like the fact that you could just put it inside there and pull it out. So I just can't wait to try these products. I'm gonna show you, I guess, enclose the product. This is the lip gloss. This is a nice lip gloss. Do a little swatch. It has a little bit of tint, but remember, this is just a lip gloss. Right there. That's the gloss, and then this is the setting mist. Again, this is for the coconut line, and this is the setting mist. It looks beautiful, nice, sleek, matte bottle. It's a plastic bottle. As you can see, it says Marc Jacob, and it's like coconut. It's like a watery, milky coconut color of the liquid. This is how it looks. Oops. This is just a little tag that says to press completely so the fine mist could spread out. It's so beautiful. I love this. Love the silver as well, and the lid, I'm sorry, can't speak today, and the silver line. I'm really excited to try this. I love nice packaging products, but also that works well, because what's the point of having a nice packaging and beautiful sleek packaging and the product doesn't work? So I think these products are gonna be very, very nice and gonna work very well, because I have seen a lot of reviews about it. Before I shop for anything, I try my best to look at the reviews, watch a lot of reviews about the product before I buy it, because hello, these are expensive you know, beauty products, and you want to buy something that is really worth it and worth your money. So this is the Marc Jacob Dew Drops Illuminizer. This is like the way, it's almost the same way, the lid, but it doesn't have no silver line there. And it's a white cap lid, and it's a silver hardware, as you can see. And this is more of a glass, matte glass, and this is the dewy drop. Hopefully you can see right there how it sees. Beautiful gold drops, which I'm excited to try. I'll probably just pour a little bit so we can see how it looks. Oops. A little bit, but it went too far. Wow, this is creamy. A little goes a long way, as I see. Wow, this is so illuminizing. Let me see if I can spread it out a little bit more so we could see. A little goes a long way. Just remember that a little just goes a long way. Look at my knuckles, like, I'm pressed. A little goes a long way. Smells good too. It's not an overpowering smell either, which I really like. This is beautiful, look at that. Smells good. All dewy. It looks nice. See how it works, putting it on my skin. Just a little goes a long way, guys. Just a little goes a long way. Look at that. My cutest bow. And I'm just taking it from the one in my hands. Then I put some there. Girl, she's glowing. She is really glowing. You see that? And on my nose. I like it because it's a cream, so it could just sit on your, not even sit on your skin, but like it traps and it goes inside your skin, which is lovely, very lovely. So that's that. And the last one is this Invisible Undercover Perfecting Coconut Face Primer. the same consistency. It's like a more of a milk consistency, and it has the silver hardware right here, and it says Marc Jacob right there. And like you can see, it's a matte frosty glass, the same as the other ones, which is beautiful. And this is the same thing, the same pump, which is amazing. And this is the primer, the face primer. I'm loving it. Can't wait to try this, and I'll probably do a video trying these products and telling you how I feel, like a first impression about it. I love the fact that this goes inside like this, and you just can put it anywhere, like in your table, your vanity table, or side table, and decorate it really nice and make it nice and girly and chic, which I really like and enjoy. So yeah, this is the box again, and it comes inside and you pull it, which is beautiful. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing. It's just a small unboxing of the product that I just got from Marc Jacob, and I just wanted to show you this little haul of the Marc Jacob. I hope you guys enjoy. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy, and if you want to keep seeing unboxing, because I have more unboxing to do, please let me know and comment on the comments below if you want to see more of my future unboxings. And don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. And that is everything for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoy, like I said, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.